Hello all, 5 Minute Trader here. Today it is the 6th of December 2024 and I'm a little bummed out honestly because I missed yesterday. The whole point of me doing this is to try to find a trade every day, and when I miss a day it kind of bums me out because you never know what you're going to miss. So with that in mind, we'll do something a little bit differently today. Typically, if I've missed one or more days watching the market, I go through my entire watch list to see if there's been any big moves rather than just looking for moves today. So rather than sorting by percentage change, I'm just going to sort straight by alphabetic here in Tasty Trade. And you can sign up for Tasty Trade. There's a link down in the description. It's a great way to help out the channel. But let's start with the diamonds. Let's see where they're at. So pretty flat up here at the top. Been at a high for a while. Let's go to emerging markets. That has been moving up a little bit recently with a tiny down today. Let's look at Brazil. Brazil had that down move the other day, and now it's been kind of choppy up and down. So I'm probably going to look at EWZ in a minute and see where I'm at with that. The euro, that's been kind of choppy and is having a down day today. A little bit of a down day. Metals, again, up and down. There's some good up and down movement here. Maybe I should do this once a week just to see what's happening. GDXJ, that's the miners, miners junior, I should say, is down a little bit. GLD, same deal, not much movement there. So I'm not seeing a lot of movement yesterday generally. IWM, oh, it looks like IWM is still coming down. A biggish down day yesterday, but then it jumped back up again today. IYR, that's the real estate. That's flat. So it looks like, based on what I'm seeing here, there wasn't a lot of movement yesterday. So that's probably a good thing because I missed yesterday. TBT, let's go TLT. What's going on there? Yeah, same deal. UNG, same deal. And USO. Oh, USO had some jumps down. Okay, so let's take a look at USO and EWG. Now, I have positions on in both of them, but my USO positions are way out of the money, so this is something I could potentially put a new position on. Let's see here. So the 30 delta in EWZ is at, USO oil is at 67, which is, ooh, that's pretty low. It's down here near its like recent lows. So that could be an interesting trade. What am I getting for that? $1.19 for 6,500 max loss over 42 days. I think I might put that. I'm going to put that guy in, I think. EWZ. Let's see. I got some positions here. I got one that's in the money. I need to roll that here in the next couple of days. Well, what's EWZ? It's a 25. I might not need to roll that actually because even though it's in the money, it's not far enough in the money that I'm going to lose money on it. So I might continue to watch that one. And then I have another that's out of the money and it's at the 30 delta. So I'm not going to put another one on in EWZ just because I have those couple of positions on. But if I were $53, it's not that great either. It's not paying a ton, although it's a pretty cheap underlying. So, it could be interesting. I could, like if I were going to put that, I could put 2 contracts on, something like that. GDXJ is down today. I have a bunch of positions on in there, including this one that's like at the money. But if I were to put something on in there, it's 50 cents again. So that's probably not worth it. It looks like that's it for today. UNG up. Anything up big? Not really. Let's take a quick look at IWM. It's up today, but it was down yesterday, right? It's up today, but like from this low, it's starting to come down. Let's see what we can get on the 42-day. Well, that's an interesting trade. So it's 232. So now it's not quite low enough. If I could get it down this 226, 27 area, that's where I'm probably going to look to potentially sell a put. How high are the Qs? The Qs are at their all-time high. Let's see. What could we do for a call spread? Let's do the 30 and the 18. Oh, look at these strikes. Am I in? Oh, it's got wonky strikes in here. I don't like the wonky strikes. Bleh, I don't like wonky strikes. That's okay. What about in the weeklies? Okay, the weeklies right here. Let me clear out that trade. So let's do the, what if I were to do the 31 and the 27 delta? So that's 64, 72%, 75% chance of 50%. It's not that great. Let's move it down. Today's trade's nice because you can kind of hit this and it'll just like slide the whole spread down. Now I'm getting in the 80s, but look, I'm only getting 45 cents. Bleh. I could make the spread bigger. Let's go out to $5. $1 there. That could be interesting. That's at 543. What's that? The 23 delta? It'd have to be way up here. 30 days. That could be an interesting one too. So potentially, let's see. So I'm not going to put on though because I have positions on in USO and EWZ, but I could have put a put on in there, and I might throw this call spread in QQQ. Interesting. All right. Thanks all. We'll see you. It's Friday, so we'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.